Their own fucking hearts. They broke their own fucking heart. Hold on. Excuse me. 111, you could be seeing 111 or 1111 on the clock a lot. Excuse me. This person is manifesting your completions, ones, or new beginnings. All right. There's something here about you needing to take a break from life. Excuse me. Because this is what you're owed. Hold on a second. I've been sneezing like crazy. Excuse me. The thing is,
there's 24. Was there a note with it? I don't think so.
It's another one of the elves, and that color. Oh my gosh, I have to sneeze. It's God forcing me to take a break when I'm talking.
Some watercolor pencils. Sorry, I'm having super bad allergies.
So this is the last no weekly wacky next week. That's right, because I'm about to sneeze. And that's why.
Or it takes way fucking long. Sometimes when I wrap freaking napkins or tissues, they don't freaking work either because my nose be all wet and they'll just bend and they won't do their job. Actually, I think I feel it coming. Spoke too soon. Boogies are ready to start coming out. That's a lot of powder coming out. It's crazy how much powder I have to use now just to make myself sneeze. Feels so good though right after I sneeze.